Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I'm doing another face off. Yay! Today I'm going to be doing the face off with Chelsea J. Murray. I am super excited to be facing off with her today. She is a very talented human being. The looks she creates are so beautiful, so I feel like I'm really gonna have to step up my game today because she plays with color so well. The palette we are using today, and this one also excites me, is the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette. This is what this beauty looks like. I am so excited to be playing with this palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. The shades we got today are Elegant, Green Juice, Taste the Rainbow, Honey Pot, which is this beautiful gold yellow, and Backstage right here. I am so excited to play with this color story. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. It's going to be a lot of fun, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna prime my eyes and talk to you a little bit more about Chelsea. Okay, so I am back. I went ahead and primed my eyes. I swatched the color story, so that is what we are playing with today. I'm excited. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna get started. I swear every time I go to zoom zoom the camera in, I zoom it out. I don't know why I have to do that first before I turn it the correct direction, but it's become a habit. If you guys have not checked out Chelsea's channel, I highly recommend it. She is very talented. I absolutely love watching her videos. I find them very relaxing, and just kind of watching her play with color and the way she creates her looks are just phenomenal. I am a little bit nervous to go up against her because I don't think she realizes how much talent she has. She's just so skilled. So skilled. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what I create today because I'm not even sure what I'm going to do. The first shade I'm going to go into is this one right here. It is called Green Juice. We're gonna work that into the crease a bit. Also, I don't know why I did the other eye because we're just going to do one eye on camera and one eye off camera. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, so after I do that, I'm going to go into Elegant right here. I don't know how to say that. And I'm going to take I'm just going to take a shadow brush and we're going to use that to blend out the edges of Green Apple. Okay, after I do that, I'm going to go into the shade Backstage right here. And we're going to put that directly into my crease. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I did take Green Juice on just an eye crease brush. And I'm taking another e.l.f. eye crease brush for Backstage. Once I have that where I want it, I'm just going to take, this is a Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend everything nicely. Okay, once I have that the way I want it, I'm actually going to go ahead and we're going to do a half cut crease. So I'm going to take a little bit more of Backstage, and I'm just going to kind of put that towards the edge of my eye and really build it up prior to doing the cut crease. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm just going to take some more of my ABH primer, and we're going to do that cut crease now. And in order to do that, I'm going to take this on a Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. Okay, and we're not going all the way across, we're just going to a certain point. And I'm going to take this brush right here. It's a Morphe M124, and I'm going to go into the shade Honey Pot right here. Sometimes this works okay with a brush, other times it has to be your finger. This is one of the jelly shadows that's in here, so we'll see how this goes with a brush, and if it doesn't work well, I'll probably end up switching to my finger. Okay, once I have that done, I'm just going to go in with that brush that had Backstage on it, and I'm just going to kind of blend the edges here so that it blends in with that. And then I'm just going to take this brush and just kind of blend in the edges here. Okay, once that's done, I'm actually going to do something a little bit different. I was going to go in with a colored liner, but I think I'm just going to take my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner, and this is the micro tip one, so it's tiny, and I'm just going to trace kind of where that yellow goes. I'm not 100% sure I like that, but we're going with it right now because I'll probably use a different colored liner right here. I don't know. I was just trying something different. I think over that black line, I'm going to go in with this Dear Katie Brown Razor Shine Glitter Liner, and this is in Tantrum. And I'm just going to kind of trace over that black line a little bit and give it a little bit more sparkle. I don't know why there are so many people that hate glitter, because for me, glitter fixes everything. Like, throwing a little bit of glitter on top of that turns out nicely, in my opinion. And I just took this brush here to kind of help spread the glitter out a little bit more evenly. And because I have the Taste the Rainbow shade that I bet you guys can guess where that one's going to go, I'm actually going to go in with this gel eyeliner here from Inglot in number 73, and I'm going to create my wing. wish me luck. It's been a long time since I've done gel eyeliner. I like it so far. Okay, I'm going to pop off of camera really quick, do my base, do the other eye, and we'll be back to do my inner corner, my lower lash line, and to pick out a lipstick for this look. So I'll see you guys in a second. Well, I'm back, and everything I used on my face will be listed and linked down in the description box. I am using magic links. That does mean that if you do decide to use those links to purchase an item, I do make a small commission. If you guys do use those links, anything that I make will be going back into my channel. You guys, look at my blush. I don't know why I'm loving that so much lately, but yeah. Okay, we're gonna go. Before I get on a tangent about blush, we're gonna do my lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and this is in Screamin'. We're gonna put this into my waterline. Okay, once that is in my waterline, I'm going to take the shade Taste the Rainbow, and we're going to put that along my lower lash line. And I know I look a little bit like a Who from Whoville, but I kind of like looking like a Who from Whoville. I like it. I can't help it. I've been liking putting blush on my face, and look at this highlight. Oh. Okay, really quick. The highlight is the Natasha Denona Mini Diamond and Glow, and I took this one, and if you're not somebody who likes straight up glitter on your face, you're not gonna like this highlight, because while it looks really wet in camera, it is straight up glitter on my face. And I love it. Not even gonna lie, I love it. Okay, we're gonna go in with this smudging brush right here with the shade Taste the Rainbow. Okay, and then I'm going to take the shade Elegant, and I'm just going to kind of blend that out a little bit. I'm actually going to take on a Morphe M56, wow, I just dropped it, a Morphe M562 brush. And yeah, we're going to blend it out just a little bit. Corner, we're going to use the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette, and I'm going to, mine is messy, you've been warned. I'm going to go into Electra right here, and we're going to pop that into my inner corner. And I'm just going to take that on a pencil brush. This one, it's a little yellow leaning, but I think it'll do what I need it to. Wow, I put a lot of that on there. I don't... I like it so far. If you will, please ignore my brows. I need to go and get them shaped, and I just haven't, and I don't know. They're living their best life without listening to what I want, so what are you gonna do? Brows. And I think I'm gonna go into this NYX Plush Gel Lipstick, and this is in, what are you in? This is in Breakup. And it's kind of like a brown, but not completely brown, if that makes sense. I can't describe colors. I've been on YouTube for like 3 years and I still can't describe colors. We're just gonna go with whatever I say, okay? Okay. Well, here you guys are. Here is the final look. You're gonna have to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I kind of love it. I'm digging kind of playing with all of my gel eyeliners lately, if you guys have not noticed. Well, you will have to go check out Chelsea's channel. She is amazing. I will have her channel as well as her video linked in the description box down below. Please go check her out. She is so talented and so amazing with color. I'm very curious to see how she went about doing this, if we're gonna have a similar look or a completely different look. We will find out. Sometimes her and I think along the same lines with colors, and it's kind of a lot of fun. She'll probably have a better execution of it though. Also, if you came from Chelsea's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I do hope that you will consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family over here. Well, thank you guys again so much for watching this video. You'll have to let me know what you think of the look down below. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and leave a comment down below so that we can chat. Well, thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!